Everything. I don't know where. We were just speaking about. We definitely need some resurfacing. Absolutely.
This pool requires resurfacing based on the condition that you see in this camera.
5 and 7,000. If you redo the tile, it's about $1,500.
That might be something we'd be interested in. Like, yeah,
Yeah,
I mean,
it's good.
if we big because the resurfacing is going to be about between 5 and 7 grand, and if we wanted to run the new tile line, like a different pattern or whatever,
Yeah.
about another 1,500.
I personally, I would probably because that way you can do it anymore. But
Yeah,
there's so many colors that you can just
yeah. I guess at the end of all of this, when we get, after the true inspection is done and we have everything of where we're sitting and what needs to be done, that just has to go into the budget,
Yeah. Yeah.
and we'll
Put
see where the
that
budget's at.
But see where it falls on the list.
Okay.
For sure.
Yes,
All
definitely.
right. Well, I'm gonna check out the skimmer first, and then I'm gonna check the lines.
Okay.
And shouldn't take too long in the water.
All right.
I hope.
Do what you got to do.
Let me know if you need help too, by the way.
Anything besides getting in, okay?
This over here, guys, has been there's been a repair at some point. That's what that is. Knew it was. Did you see that guy go in there?
Yep, can definitely see it.
Oh, it's a big leak right here too.
That again. Oh man, big one.
Oh, you guys homeowners? Homeowner? There's a leak here. Do you mind if I fix it? The only thing I need is their permission to fix it. Otherwise, I can't.
You just need permission to fix it.
Okay. But
It's
it's easy, right?
Yeah, easy.
See how the guy is just staying there?
Right.
So that means it's okay.
As far as the skimmer.
Yeah. A year. It might warm at 10 degrees more than what it is.
And I'm not jumping in this.
And you're not, if you want to swim in the winter, the only real solution is a actual pool heater.
Yeah.
The insurance companies don't like solar pool heater up on the roof anyways. So
No, we're not down with the Polar Bear Club, so we're not.
and that's what this would have been for. That would have been for the
That's what
solar.
that's.
It's not it's been disconnected. And then these are all your suction lines. So you have a vacuum, a skimmer, and a drain, and these are your turn lines that go to the pool. So this is all pretty basic here.
Okay.
And then you can definitely take care of your own pool. If you hire someone, you're gonna pay $100 a month.
Yeah, that's what they were saying.
It's about
A little about $100 a month. Yeah.
and you can do it yourself for 30.
Okay.
So completely up to you on that.
Yeah.
Any other questions about over here?
I think we're good with that. My main question was finding out if that solar was hooked up.
That's completely disconnected.
Okay, very good.
And then I'm not sure where the light switch is for the pool. It's probably inside.
So the pool does have lights on it, right?
It will have one light. You'll probably need like some of the stuff to you.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, definitely.
This is for your lights. The transformer goes down to once at 12 volts. This used to be a solar. I believe a solar system.
There is a solar system still.
Oh no, that is your quick disconnect.
That's a disconnect, and then
This is your pool timer. You're missing the little clamps that go in it, but since you have a variable speed pump, that's why they're
okay, that's irrelevant.
And then this one, then
Got a
that's
lock
for
on.
the
That's
electric company.
okay. It's a heated pool, right? That's what that's supposed to be. The solar heated pool spa controller.
I don't think it's connected.
Oh,
It's disconnected.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's no solar.